I had posted about solderless breadboard some time back and mentioned about in a post today morning regarding their use to avoid inhaling solder smoke. I was under the impression that there is only one standard size of solderless breadboard. Yesterday I came across this small solderless breadboard. I have found the standard sized breadboard a bit too long for many of the small projects. Now this one comes in handy for smaller projects. It is meant for Arduino prototyping and testing. 400 type points are there, of which 2 power lanes have 100 type points and one double strip has 300 type points. Size is 8.2 into 5.5 into 0.85 centimeter. It will accept wires with diameter 20 to 29 AWG. Voltage rating is 300 volts and current rating 3 to 5 amperes. Numbers for rows of pins and letters for columns are easily visible in this smaller breadboard. This one also has dovetails for attaching to similar boards. This is the standard size of solderless breadboard. I bought a few of them as I am planning to keep some of the circuits for a longer period. Earlier I had only 2 of these and one was partly damaged. I used to assemble one circuit, test it out and then go for another on the same board after removing the initial components. That way I would have to lose some interesting projects which I love to keep for longer periods. Now I have 6 of these new standard size solderless breadboards for different projects. These have 128 of 5 connected terminals and 8 bus of 25 connected terminals used for power supply. Size is 175 into 67 into 8 millimeter. These breadboards can be interlocked to each other to produce larger breadboards using dovetails on the sides.